Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, are you ready for FA1 exams? Isn't it? We are preparing for the FA1 exams. Now I'm going to tell you FA1 revision. Okay. In this month ending, we will have the FA1 exam. So be ready for that. Already, first I have started. Okay. This is the second one. Means I'm continuing the lesson. Means I make you to read the workbook part. You have to read. The last class I have discussed the bit part. In this class I will make you to read remaining bit part. Okay, children, did you understand? Please bring your workbook, notebook, pencil, eraser. When I am telling this revision, please write all the things in your book and practice the spellings, children. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay, please bring your books, children, everyone. Means we are having the exams now, so you have to read well, isn't it? In the end of the September, we will have the FA1 exams. Maybe 1 and 2 are our syllabus. You have to read. In this videos, I will tell our revision part. Means again, I will make you to read. Okay, children, for each and every question, I will explain it again. And you have to read at your home. You have to practice the spellings. In the last class, we have there in the bit part, isn't it? First page bit part we have completed, isn't it? Next one, page number 2. See here, children, what are hobbies? The last class only we have discussed what are hobbies means. First we have to tell hobbies are the activities, isn't it? You can write that hobbies are the activities. Then when you are having a free time, isn't it? You will do that. So we can call them as a hobbies. And when you are doing these hobbies, you will feel happy or sad? Happy, isn't it? Then you can write that what are hobbies. See here page number 2 in your workbook. The activities that people enjoy. You will enjoy, isn't it? When you are doing that hobby, that activity you will feel enjoy. Doing during their free time. When you are having a free time, you will do it, isn't it? Those we can call as a hobbies. I will write on the board, children. I will make you to read question number 7. The activities, children, read along with me. The activities that people enjoy doing during their free time, are called hobbies. They may ask you in the exam, or in the exam I may ask you, is it the activities that people enjoy doing during their free time are called dash, isn't it? What are those? Hobbies, isn't it? Again read along with me, children. The activities that people enjoy doing during their free time are called hobbies. Again one more time I am repeating. The activities that people enjoy doing during their free time are called hobbies. Okay, children, this is that. This question you have to read. Okay, practice the spellings. Next one, 8th one is matching. Matching, children, I will explain for you. Match the following. Please take your workbooks. Everyone, please take the workbooks. In that first one, 8th one, team sports. Team means group, isn't it? Group of people, we can call them as a team. Team sports means we are having so many sports, but in that some sports are team sports, means some games they should have to play in a team only, like a football, cricket, isn't it? means volleyball, means a group of people should be there, then only it will be a sport correctly, isn't it? Team sport, here they have asked you that options here. Team sports means group of people, you have to work with a group of people, means here they have given options for you, isn't it? Means you can write that teach us to work in a group. When you are working in a team sports, then means it teaches us, it makes us to teach, means some of the things we will learn from the group, isn't it? I will write directly the answer. See children, 8th one, team sports. 9th one, see, painting. 10th one, reading books. Reading books. 11th one, exercise. Exercising. All these are the hobbies only. For these hobbies, they have given options for us. Helps us to creativity. Helps us to be creative. Helps us to be creative. Next one, teach us to work in group. Actually, everyone is having a workbook, means you can see page number 2. In that, you can see the Mazda following. Keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Helps us to learn. Helps us to learn new things. Helps us to learn new things. Okay children, see now I will explain for you children. See, team sports. Team sports means teach us to work in a group. Team sports means teach us to work in a group. So you can keep here like this, isn't it? Next one, painting. Painting means it is a someone will give her for us or someone will teach us. No, you will get an idea, then you can paint. Means it develops us creativity. Very good. Creativity means you can write it here. Helps us to be creative. Helps us to be creative. Helps us to be creative. Okay children. Next one, reading books. Reading books means if you are reading the books means you will learn new things. Now you came to 3rd class, isn't it? But some of the new things you are learning from the books or not, isn't it? Reading books helps us to learn new things. Helps us to learn new things. Okay children. Next one, exercising. If you are doing exercise, yoga, how it helps for us? Keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Keeps us healthy. Children, each and every bit I will write on the board, but the question answers I will explain for you. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, now take your workbook children. Take your workbooks everyone. See that question number 12. What is the benefits of the hobbies that involves group activities? Give an example. If you are working in a group, if you are having a hobby that has to work in a group, how it is helpful for you? Very good. You will learn new things, means you will have actually group of activities involves to work in a group. If you you have to learn a football, means group should be there. And you can learn a new things from that group. You don't know what are the things you can learn from that group. And not only that, some of the games like football, hockey, cricket, means there should be a team, isn't it? Means how to work with the team you will learn from that team. You have an answer here children. You have to read it. I will read 2 times. You have to read along with me. Hobbies which involve group activities teach us to work in groups. For example, games such as football, hockey, and so on. Okay, children, see, hobbies which involve group activities teach us to work in groups. For example, games such as football, hockey, and so on. Okay, children. Next, 13th one. List any two hobbies. Helps us to be creative. They are asking us two hobbies that should be creative. Means creative means normally we have discussed here. One example is there. Creative means very good. Painting. Painting. One hobby is painting and one more is writing. Okay, children. See here, 13th one. Hobbies such as painting and writing helps us to be creative. Helps us to be creative. Again, children, repeat along with me. Hobbies such as painting and writing helps us be creative. Helps us to be creative. Okay, children. Next one. Here, see how hobbies are helpful for us. And next one, write in the space. They have given a space. And here one more thing you can say. Here hobbies are very helpful in the exercise, in that matching only they have given. All these are hobbies and these are the useful things. Isn't it? Look at in your page number 3, everyone. Question number, answer 14. See uses. And all these boxes are related here. I will tell you how these hobbies are useful. See uses of hobbies. They helps us to make useful things. Useful things. Means pottery, knitting, alladam, kundal cheyadam, adanta enti? We can tell it is making a useful things. Means hobby is useful for us to make a new things. Isn't it, children? And the next one, it helps to be creative. It helps us to be creative. Means creative means painting, writing, all to be creative. These are all useful. Next, they teach us to work in a group. Helps to work in a group. Team sports means teach us to work in a group. And the next one, football, hockey, like that. Next one, they helps us to keep us healthy. If you are having a hobbies like yoga, means it helps us to keep healthy. Means all these are useful uses and these are hobbies. Isn't it, children? These are the examples for the hobbies and these are all are useful. Isn't it? Means if you read that, match the following with the spellings means, then you will get the 14th one. Isn't it? And the next one, go for the 15th one, children. 15th one. Go for the 15th one. See here. Zakir Hussain is a famous tabla player. Which of the following would possible be his hobbies? Zakir Hussain is a famous tabla player. Tabla means tabla. What we will get from this? Sambal, drum means choose center kadella kodtaru. Lelaga. Is it? It one related to? Very good. Music. Music. Children, each and everything what I am writing on the board, you have to practice it. Maybe all these questions will come, means in a big part they will come. That's why I am revising it. Okay. In the same manner I won't give it. I will change it. If you get that, somewhat you have an idea means you can answer it. Okay, that's why I am revising the workbook part. Okay, 15th one is music. Music. Okay, means option C. Music. PV Sindhu is a famous Indian sports person. Which of the following sports does she? Actually, PV Sindhu is a famous sports person in our India. Which sport? What is the name of the sport, that one? Is it? Very good. Badminton. 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 Option B. Option B. Okay. Did you understand, children? The next one, go for 17th one, children. 17th one. Rahi likes to sing. Rahi likes to sing. How can she turn her hobby into job? Actually, in the last class I have discussed, if you are practicing more and more, you will be better in that work, isn't it? Already we have discussed it. The same way Rahi has to do the more practice. Actually, she likes to sing the songs. Means she has to practice it more, and she has to learn classical and western music. She has to learn both the music, then she will be perfect in that and she will get the job in that, isn't it? First of all, she has to practice. Already we have it, practicing. Practice means man's perfect. If you want to do practice, now you want to be first in this FA1 exams, means you have to practice the spellings more and more, isn't it? Means you are practicing, you are reading more, then you will be perfect, then you will be the first in this exams or not. Means in the same, you can take yourself as an example. You have to practice that, all the question answers and the big part, and you have to understand it. Then you will be the first. Okay, children, same thing, Rahi has to, she should practice that singing, and she should learn classical and western music to become a singer. She has to practice. She has to learn classical and western music to become a singer, isn't it? Okay, children, did you understand? These are the things she has to do. And the next one comes to that question number 17th question is completed. Next one, 18th one. Page number 14, children. Here, how can we following hobbies to be changes into jobs? Means hobbies should be changes into jobs, means they should practice more and more. Isha's hobby is painting and Adilya likes to play the piano. Is it? She is she is having a painting hobby. If she practice more, means what we can call, she can do the painting well. So we can call her as a painter, isn't it? Is it? Whereas Adi can become a musician. Means music, he may be perfect in the music, means he can play the music by piano well, isn't it? Means he has to do the practice. And not only that, see here 19th one, they have given some pictures, children. Pictures, isn't it? You have to write it. What we can call, what he is doing? Swimming. Read the spelling, children. Look at that, and you have to guess that hobbies of the people having. What is that? Swimming. 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 Next one. Good. Cooking. 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 Okay. Next one. Playing chess. Playing chess. PLAYING. Playing chess. 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 Playing chess. Playing chess. PLAYING. Playing CHESS. Chess. Okay, children. Next one. Cycling. 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 In the exams, maybe I may give that pictures and I will ask you to write. Not only this, hobbies. I may give painting. You have to write it. I may give that playing cricket. You have to write what is that hobby. Sports. What is the sport? You have to write. Not only all this. I am giving the examples for this. I may change it. Okay, children, along with the workbook, you have to read the textbook also. If you are reading the textbook, from that also I will give the blanks. Okay, children, did you understand? Again and again I make you to read the workbook part. Here if we are there means we can give the drilling, isn't it? You have to watch the video and you have to read the spellings. Swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, C-H-E-S-S, chess, C-Y-C-L-I-N-G, cycling. You have to practice the spellings, children. Don't forget to practice the spellings. You have to practice. Then only you can write well. Okay, children? Again and again, I may give the bits. I can change the question answers into bits also. You have to read. That's why I make a complete workbook part, lesson number 1, reading part completed, isn't it? One more question is there. Is that question number 20? This is your timetable, isn't it? From the morning onwards, when you are having a free time, that timetable, this is my timetable I have written here. What the timetable you have written, you have to check it when you are having a free time. This is the activity, no problem. But up to 19th question, you have to practice the spellings and you have to read it continuously. Did you understand, children? Again, I am repeating here, see. What are hobbies means? The activity which the people enjoy doing during their free time is called hobbies. And these hobbies are also divided into different types. That is maybe related to sports. Exercising means it may be, what is that? Creativity. It comes to be creativity, outdoor recreation, collection, making. Isn't it? In that so many hobbies are there. Which comes to be the sports means cricket, football, hockey, like that the sports which are comes to sports. And creativity means painting, writing, all these are creativities. Outdoor recreation means trekking, gardening, all these are outdoor recreations. Making means knitting, pottering, scrapbook, all these are making. Comes to the collections. Collections means collecting stamps, leaves, coins. Again and again, why I am repeating means you will keep it in your mind. That's why I am repeating, children. You have to recollect it, okay? And you have to practice it. Useful things of the hobbies, uses of the hobbies keeps us healthy, and how to work with the team we can learn, and we will learn new things. It helps to develop the creativity. All these are the uses. Okay, children? And the first lesson, revision part is completed. You have to read complete workbook and textbook. From that I can give. These are some of the examples for the hobbies. I may give differently also. You have to read the textbook and workbook. In the next class, I will explain the lesson number 2. Okay, be ready for that lesson. Okay, children? Thank you.